Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Whop. So first of all, go to your profile. After that, you can see all your information here, and you go to balance. I don't have money now, but if you have money, you can withdraw the money. So first of all, set up Whop payments. Click on it. After that, for example, choose any country here. For example, Spain, and go next. Wait a little bit of time, and then you put your email address here. For example, this is email address. After that, click on submit, and so you put your number here to verify it, and as you can see, you can use the same email. After you verify everything, you go back to work and verify your account, and you can withdraw the money. Okay, thank you guys, and goodbye.